Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, fellow chief. If you're looking to dive into Clash of Clans in English this year, you're in the right place. Playing in English truly opens up the game, connecting you with millions of players worldwide. It makes understanding everything, from strategies to clan chat, so much clearer and more enjoyable. Let's get your village speaking English. Changing your in-game language is surprisingly straightforward. Just open Clash of Clans, then look for the settings icon. It's that little gear in the bottom right corner. From there, navigate to the language option. You'll see a list of available languages. Simply select English. The game will reload, and you'll be ready to go, fully immersed in English gameplay. While the in-game setting usually works, your device's language can sometimes override it. It's a good idea to check that your phone or tablet is also set to English, just to be sure. This extra step helps prevent any unexpected language reverts. Also, keep in mind your device's region setting can influence other game elements, like shop offers, even if the language is English. Playing in English truly shines when you engage with the community. Seek out English-speaking clans to discuss strategies and participate in clan wars. There are tons of official Supercell forums and fan-made wikis available entirely in English, packed with information. Plus, YouTube channels and Discord servers provide endless guides and social opportunities, helping you connect and learn. As we move through 2025, remember that game updates are frequent. Supercell usually releases official patch notes and announcements in English first, making it the primary language for new information. Staying tuned to their English channels ensures you're always ahead. Enjoy your refreshed, English-speaking Clash of Clans adventure, Chief, and have fun building your ultimate village.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.